Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm painting Han. Today we are going to be painting iris flowers. This is the second time of the iris flowers to paint in this channel. So I will put that link video in description box below. If you're interested in that, click it and watch it. So I'm going to show you my materials: magenta, bright violet, ultramarine deep, sap green, and yellow. And brushes, Hwahong, Escoda, and Da Vinci brush. And paper is the arch cold pressed 140-pound paper. So today we are going to start the petal first, okay, and then I sketched in advance. Okay, so an iris flower has petals that facing is up toward up, and some of petals falling down. How many petals? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 petals, and there. And the flowers, these flowers, a little bit of tilt slightly to the left, right? And this flower, this petal is back side, and yeah, this one is the front, some of little bit of a side view of the petals. Okay, first start with the paper. First we are going to start with the petal and with the paper. Grab some very pinkish color, magenta. Center of the petal area. And then this is bright violet mix some of ultramarine deep color on the edge of the petal area. And drag toward the center. This iris petal color is light to dark and strong color. The edge line is too strong color, so you can mix some pinkish, try to pinkish petal, pinkish iris, and some of the bluish iris. You can choose whatever you want. So in my case, a little bit of pinkish color. Last time my video is the purple, bluish purple color iris. This paper is still wet, so I drag some leg line on the petal. Some part blend, some part leave there. So yeah, just to try with the tip of the brush. I'm going to try it. Look at that, like that. You'd better use the brush stroke, move very fast, like that. Iris flower petal is a little bit of this edge area, some crooked. It's not a straight petal, so use the tip of the brush and draw some. My brush wiggled like this, and okay, first main petals I've done. I'm going to wait until this paper. So I'm going to try this first with the paper. First with the paper, and then grab some magenta mix, bright violet color first, and use the side of the brush, put on the some this little bit of light color, and then just to depth the edge area, edge lines. It's not straight, some crooked this edge, this petal. So, and then okay, and magenta, bright violet mixes some blue ultramarine dip, so got some very strong. Just go down on the paper, this brush, and push and slide up, push. So I want to draw this paper before this paper dry, so I want to get very smooth line. I don't want to get the strong line on the petal. So now I am draw some lines on the petal before this paper dry. Okay. And then I wanna throw some strong line on the center of the petal, like that. Look at my brush. My brush go down very quick, right? Here is the highlight area, so I wanna put the very light color, light bluish color, put on the this highlight area, and then have to leave some negative space between this petal and this one. So can you see this white space? this point very dark color. So between this petal and this petal, and this one is a little bit kind of like this. So inside this petal, here is very darkest color. Put on the very darkest color, so they look three-dimensional. I don't want to pop out in this painting, so I make a little bit blurry, and it is with the clean water. Put down area with the paper a little bit. I'm going to use the splash on the paper. Okay, all done this painting. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time. Bye.